In this video, we're going to continue talking about intersections dealing with chords, secants, and tangents, and we're also going to deal with segment lengths formed by intersecting chords, secants, and tangents. So let's look at 32 to see what information they're giving us. DH, this arc right here, is 11x plus 7. GF is 5x plus 9. And angle GEF, right here, GEF, this angle is 10x minus 22. What they want us to do is find arc DH, so that means once we're done here, we're going to have to plug our x into this expression right here. What we do know is since our intersection is happening inside, we're going to add our arc lengths, dividing it by 2 equals our angle. What we're going to do is times both sides by 2, crossing out those 2's. I'm going to combine like terms here as I go, so 5x and 11x is 16x, 9 and 7 is going to be plus 16, equals, I'm going to distribute this, 2 times 10x is 20x, 2 times negative 22 is negative 44. I'm going to add 44 to both sides. So I have 16 plus 44. I have 16x plus 60 equals 20x. I'm going to take away 16x. So over here I have 60 equals 4x dividing by 4. 60 divided by 4 is going to give me 15. Now again, I'm looking for arc DH, which means I have to take my x and plug it into DH. So that's going to be 11 times my x, which is 15, plus 7. It's going to be 165 plus 7. It's going to be 172 degrees. Looking at my next problem, MOP, the arc, is 11x minus 38. Angle LMP is going to be 3x plus 41. And they're actually looking for us to find NMP, which is this angle over here. So what we need to do is realize that this is an inscribed angle, or taking this angle times it by 2 equals this. So I have 2 times 3x plus 41 equals 11x minus 38. Distributing that 2, 6x plus 82 equals 11x minus 38. I'm going to add 38 to both sides. 82 plus 38 is 120. I'm going to minus 6x from both sides. I have 120 equals 5x dividing by 5. X equals 24. Now what I'm really looking for is this angle over here. Now what I do know is that if I can figure out this angle, the other angle is supplementary to it. So let's plug in our x here. We have 3 times 24 plus 41. 3 times 24 is 72 plus 41. That's going to get me 113 degrees. Again, that's only giving me this angle right here. So if I do 180 degrees minus 113 degrees, so that means that the measure of angle NMP equals 67 degrees. Next question. They're telling us arc RU is 16x minus 13. Arc SU is 11x minus 24. And measure of STU is 3x plus 1. They want us to find SU, so they're actually looking for us to find this arc right here. But what we do know is that this intersection is happening outside, which means we need to subtract our large arc, take away our smaller arc. Make sure you put that smaller arc in parentheses there, you'll see why in a moment. Divided by 2 equals our angle. When I multiply by 2, I have a couple things going on here. I have 16x minus 13 minus parentheses 11x minus 24 equals 2 parentheses 3x plus 1. What I need to do here is 16x minus 13. Distribute this negative 1 here. Negative 11x. And that minus and a minus become a plus 24 equals, distribute that 2, 6x plus 2. So what I have here is 16x minus 11x, that's 5x. I have negative 13 plus 24. That's going to give me 11 equals 6x plus 2. I'm going to take away the 5x. So over here I have 11 equals 1x, or just x, plus 2. I'm going to take away 2 from both sides. X equals 9. Remember, that's not our entire answer because we need SU. Arc SU is 11x minus 24. I'm going to take 11 times 9 minus 24. That's 99 minus 24. And it's 75 degrees. Alright, segment lengths formed by intersecting chords, secants, and tangents. If I have an intersection on the inside, what I remember is A times B equals C times D. What we do know is 27 times X equals 30 times 18. Let's do 30 times 18. That's 1,110 equals 27x. I'm going to divide by 27. That's going to give me this right here isn't 1,110. It's going to be 540. I divide that by 27. It's 20. X equals 20. Next one, again I'm having an intersection inside the circle. I take 16 times this equals 14 times that. 16 times 2x minus 5 equals 14 times x plus 11. Distribute both of these, actually. So I'm going to have 32x minus 80 equals 14x plus 154. So I'm going to take away the 14x. I have 18x minus 80 equals 154. Add 80 to both sides. I have 18x equals 234. Divide by 18. X equals 13. And again, they want us to solve for x here, so we're all set. X equals 13. Let's look at the next one. Our intersection is happening outside the circle, so I have to remember A times A plus B equals C times quantity C plus D. Remember, A and C are my outside segments, so I have 7 times the quantity of 7 plus x equals 6 times the quantity of 6 plus 15. I'm going to distribute here. 49 plus 7x equals 6. I'm going to combine this right here to make 21. So I have 49 plus 7x equals, I multiplied these to get 126. I'm going to take away 49. 7x equals 77. I divide by 7. X equals 11. Solve for x. I am all set. And our last problem, we have an intersection happening outside. However, I have a tangent and a secant. So what I have here is a squared equals b times b plus c. I'm not sure if that's the exact formula that we're given. However, the a is the tangent piece. So what we know is when we have the tangent piece by itself, we square it. So basically it's 18 squared equals 12 times the quantity of 12 plus x. Let's figure out what 18 squared is. We have 324. I'm going to distribute this here. 144, 12 times 12, plus 12 times x is 12x. I'm going to take away 144 from both sides. I'm going to do 324 minus 144. 180 equals 12x. Divide by 12. And x equals 15. That is the end of this page of the review. We'll look forward to the next page.